guys, it's Cynthia. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be doing another Hermes unboxing. You guys probably already know from the title, but this is a Kelly to-go wallet. I love it. It is in a beautiful color, one of my favorite Hermes colors, and I'm so excited to share with you guys. So if you guys love fashion and luxury, please subscribe. It means the world to me when you guys subscribe and support me, and let's get on into the unboxing. Actually, I had this bag for about a month or so, and I've used it pretty often. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you'll have seen it in all my Instagram stories and some of my outfit videos. I've worn it quite a bit, so I feel like I can review it. So I'm gonna do my unboxing, a little story time, review it, and then we're gonna do a quick, like, what fits in my Kelly to-go wallet. So let's get into it. Let's start with the unboxing. Ah! Are you guys ready? It's gonna be fast. Dun 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 dun. Okay, let me remove this. So this is her in all her glory. Is she not so beautiful? She is a Kelly to-go wallet in taupe. And the reason why I love taupe is because it comes with the contrast stitching. Only a few colors have that contrast stitching. Most colors, the stitching is the same color as the bag. So this is super special. The reason why I love taupe is because, one, I think depending on gold or palladium hardware, it kind of changes the shade of beige. And two, depending on the outfit that you have, I think the taupe can be lighter or darker, and it pulls more like brown or beige. It just is a very like versatile color, so I love her. So the story is, after I got my Picotin, not too long after, I got her, and I was so happy to get her. So there's two types of to-go wallets. This is the Kelly to-go wallet, and there's a different type, the Constance to-go wallet, which is more similar to the Constance quota bag. But I really like this design. Love the traditional, like, kind of open, close, turn lock. It's very like Hermes. Love how understated it is. The Constance has a big H versus this is like, if you know, you know. These are hard to get, but at the same time, they are considered an SLG. I didn't know that they weren't considered a bag. Obviously, they're not a quota bag. A quota bag is a Kelly, Birkin, or a Constance, but I kind of thought this was categorized as a bag, but it's categorized technically as a small leather good. It should be easier to get if you ask your sales associate for this. In some of my past Hermes unboxings, I've already talked about, like, the most important tip, I think, for getting anything that you want is having a really good relationship with your sales associate. And my sales associate has been amazing. He works magic. Yeah, it was kind of crazy. Not too long after getting my Picotin, my sales associate called me and he was like, I have something for you, come in. I asked him what it was, and then he told me it was this. So I went in, got this. So happy because this bag is in literally one of like my favorite colors, and it's gold hardware, which I love. Hermes gold is stunning and rose gold is beautiful, but so is the palladium. But I really like taupe and gold. It's a beautiful combination. So yeah, not really much of a story time. It just kind of happened. I think going back to my point about the sales associate, I think if you find someone you really vibe with and you're a good customer, so you try and purchase, you know, like once a month, something. It doesn't have to be anything big. It can be something small, but you just show brand loyalty and show consistency in purchasing. I think you're able to build like a good rapport with your sales associate, and he can kind of pull things like this where not a quota bag, so it's not like a whole process to give it to you. First step is just really finding that sales associate, and everything else will be a lot smoother. I think if you have friends who have good sales associates, you can always ask them to connect you, because I think that extra point of connection, it really makes a difference. I actually go into the full story of how I met my sales associate in my first Hermes unboxing, where I go into like how I was introduced to him, how I scored a bag on my first visit with him. But yeah, it's been really good with him, and I'm really grateful. So let's move on into the review. I love this bag. Like, she is so versatile, which is one of the things that I really want out of a bag. I want to be able to wear it for formal occasions. I want to be able to wear it casually, and she does it all. So what I have in here is the strap. What you do is you just slot it in through here and then pull it through, and there's a little hole. Push it in and then it attaches. Same thing for the other side, just like that. Now you have a nice crossbody. So I wear her crossbody day to day, like almost every day. She's the perfect color, so she really goes with any outfit. And I feel like space-wise, it really is enough for my day-to-day. And I love crossbody bags. I love being able to be hands-free. I feel safer. I've also worn her to a lot of like weddings. What I'll do is I'll just take the strap off and wear her as a clutch, and it's amazing. That's why like I'm boring, but I love a neutral bag because it's so good for day to night. I feel like if you're paying this much for a bag, then it has to be, right? Okay, now let's talk price. She was $5,500, so plus tax, around just shy of $6,000. Obviously that's pricey for a wallet, but I do wear her so much and she's so versatile that I feel like it's worth it. So first question, everyone's question is, does it fit your phone? And yes, it does. I have the iPhone 14 Pro Max and she fits very comfortably in there. The only thing is, like, if I wanted to put my sunglasses or something, it probably wouldn't fit, but right now she closes pretty perfectly. Most of the time though, my phone isn't even in my bag, it's just in my hand, so it's not really a big deal. What I normally have though is my sunglasses are usually on my head, and then I'll take them off because it gets dark, so it'll fit in here. This is the keychain I carry around. I guess it could fit, but most of the time if I'm bringing this bag, what I'll do is just pull off my cards I need and my keys, and I'll just throw my credit cards in this center pocket and then my keys in the front. And then I always bring, this is my favorite lip balm, I always bring this lip balm. I'm gonna put her on right now. She's a beautiful color. People always laugh that like now we call everything like she, such a Gen Z thing to do, but it's so fun to like personify all your items. She's beautiful. I'm gonna put her in the front, and that's honestly like pretty much all I need. Sometimes I'll bring my AirPods, so I'll throw her in the front. The AirPods, it gets a little tight and it'll be like kind of bulky, but it still fits and everything locks in place. And then from the side, it kind of, again, is bulgy because of the AirPods, but it really does fit quite a bit, which I love. That's pretty much all I bring day to day. I don't know if you guys bring anything else. I'm definitely like a small bag girly. I can like minimize. I really don't need that much. If you follow me on Instagram or even TikTok, you've seen me wear her like all the time, but she's truly like such an iconic, easy to wear bag, and I love everything about her. So if this isn't on your wish list yet, definitely add it. Because it's considered a small leather good, it also continues to like show your interest in the Hermes brand. If you want to work up to a quota bag, let me know if you guys have any questions, if you want me to share more about this bag, if you want me to share more about my Hermes journey so far. I feel like I've tried to document as much of my journey as I can with you guys, so hopefully that's been helpful. Let me know if you consider the Kelly to go, if you're considering the Constance to go, and what your dream bag is. Let's manifest our dream Hermes bag in the comments below. So go leave me a comment and subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video.